amatuke meronge nagaika kabwatwa
Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho murigereria anaichuma ayemambya litweligali 2025 na kabere mukinyino yo kabere umwako yo gachu 2025 no mwancho murigereria bune senchira bene kreditko oli chinsa bune chigali tukole chuma ni gotogosoa asemesa ayetrobini migeteseni kyo kya bene again Soko TV naiga tokumulekera halionse abeka okorekana hayagene tokorekana ya chikokorekana ase chimbebe echege siasa imeyense ya Kenya no nisko chimbebe chinse ya Kenya asenchira ere ya bene ikiye amange akorekandire ime ena iskolense ya Kenya lakini anene tokubiko nyamasi baitu ime ya Kenya mwancho mugireria nigo siasa chiagendere ko bwatanse anene tokarra siasa chiabare bari bakunyemerera serikali hose United Opposition chikorawa anere Fredo Kengo Matiang'i sensemo yagusi abaraya bange robekerente garia abuna ababo Eugene Wamarwa ntoro chumare wiki amakere gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua twaro chiabaraya bange omare wiki amakere Patriotic Front Yuma Kene buna Kalonzo Steven Musyoka na nigo mada karora betaka ikirani twegatono ryo mweryo ase ekambi motokato yakorekana imero gongo rwagusi ekambi yareta amachibu amange kabisa tokarra chibura buruchikone chinsemo chine nanyanigo habarai aho baberko bagwesokya na ko gikeria chiburaburu cyakorekane gaburi tukeregoro omokoyo umugabana we county omabe uyigima gwanga na tukabaga kwerusi wabisi enginja ento chikumanya ninki into chikorra chinkwana chiayo echo omokoyo umugabana we county ya Homa Bay uyobaga kwerusi wabisi litko oregoro amangana hamanga akorekanire ko chori boke nigo gwakorekane chinsemo aho egati abo sensemo yebungeria ya Isiolo South asekya magia kyama kere kya UDA ekyama kya yomora wenze Dr. William Samoei Ruto kya batakabage kobongia na koira ebirogo obyansi ese ebocho yoboke bwakorekadete mangana manga agendrete me county Nairobi tukolero amaoni gose kurigya amaoni kurwasa abananchi ngoso akere ese tunaya kabitukirero hanene esoko bwatakana ne egetambo kerekeria kimugabana we county Nairobi Johnson Zakaja kwena na egati bokeli boli ngenche mono bochia ase serikali ne insebore bwa William Ruto no nigo abananchi bawe kurwa amaoni aba chibunge chonsi isano onaibere igaiga ime ye county ya Nairobi ayingati ya mange tochiko bato kwanda tumase kwebange tukirero nigo tukobeko nyamasi bwaito ase ase umuroberi bwe etrobini gotochiko kwandra amangana ali arakanega koretwa na opposition asensemo yagusi ase munubwe songo nigotokuruka opposition effect in Gusiland enene ine nkeke kyagere amangana agendrete egokorekana ime yorogongo orwagusi anene asabare bali bakonyemerya serikali amachibu ya naro abarayibalia abakonya okuboke serikali amachi ya naro nyara kurongo orwagusi abarayibalia bakonyemerya serikali nigo bakora na Dr. Fredo Kengo Matiang'i na sensemo ya kabere abarayibalia abakonya okuboke serikali ngati omubunge omugirango South Osoro nabayigono ino magabana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati muimende kwe county ya Kisii muimende kwe county ya Nyamira bonsi ngati abarebalia bara sensemeri ya serikali yasebona bonsi bagarata kutana amangana amatinda yonsi nigo tuchika kwana mega iga emambya ayabona iga asumuro bwe trobini abagani bane na abalende ngo kibari kwana amange nyoranga ni Daniel Nyabuti se Daktari Daniel Nyabuti yo kubori kerko kibogabana korase county ya Nyamira Thomas Kweba ndachiko tona Patrick Jet Makimiruka ojunere oro umunyakero gwe kombekereke Umbrella Peace Association imense ya Kenya nabo igono manywa mangana aye obonchirolia nabo igono manywa mangana ayege siasa igotogo chwikaransa gokwana gwikachinsa isano ona ibere echabona magaso asenchera ere yabere nchego nkuru kwa Daniel Omwaga na Etrovini ya Chakira bono ayare motwe na alinkwarigandeti esenchera ere yobo ikiranu so ensirere ya beno mwanchumurerie emambya ya abonaiga nigo togochaka korose kontirie Nyamiro mwanchumurerie ase bwatani batano babetko bagotyani bwali tukorie gorona gochake gasibene ase body area ya public if use body area ya public service board imeye county ya Nyamira mega aya mareta bwo ikubosio numugabana abwe county yo Amos Kimomi Nyaribo no nyinigo abatana abone bakoire egochia kora emeroberio anene emeroberio ria bene bachikobekiro emeroberio kwene kinga aba bisaba ngango chorubare ego gocha ase body yeyo kane meroberi ao imeye county ya Nyamira mwanche muri gati abali babeta bagochorwa namo na Edwin Makori oyu ogochika muno munyakerebo obwe body yeyo abande ngati ya Bernard Ondigo nabo igo Tom egetange ntobwate Victorina Makori na bigo line atiboyani raini abo batana nabo bagochukirani obokoreri ibwe sense media ye board ya Public Service Board na kwene kinga habwa tani bande ngocho rubare igocha megabu na gochigo cha kemeremo iri kwene kyanga bokoreri bwe county ya Nyamira ngochi bode gosuka motu asenchera ere ya bene mega yo gotatuare body yeyo asigeka amatuka mange gose asigeka akemetienyi emenge ngono nigo ndiko torekora chibicha achogotwani bokwa batana abo tojikora enkwana yo mugavana abwe county yo Amos Nyaribo na bwe enkwana yo munyakerebo obwe board yeyo Edwin Makori babetwa bagokwana korwa sense county ichiabisi county ya county ya Nyamira mega ayogo cha nubende gochiko service na gochaka emeremo yabo esenchera ere yo bwekirano.
Edwin Makori do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya as the chairman of the selection panel for the recruitment of the chairperson, members and the secretary of the Nyamira County Public Service Board. That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said capacity. And I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
I, Victorina Kemuto Makori, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya as a member of the selection panel for the recruitment of the chairperson, members, and the secretary of the Nyamira County Public Service Board. That I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said capacity, and I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill. So help me God.
Your Excellency, asante soto heri bageri kwa ese panel yo ogochora the chairperson, members na secretary of County Public Service Board. Tratenga to teme koranga koringane richi kubnadile to by members wara kore egasi wakonye county. Thank you.
Because we have been without the board from July last year. So there's a lot of backlogs, particularly for the board. So we need you to do a good job, but to condense your work. Work overdrive, even beyond hours, to make sure that you have given us a board within the shortest time period. We believe within a month or less, you can do it.
na gotigana yo mwanchumurere kurwa se county ya Nyamira mega yo gotiani boko batana abwiri bachiko korega simona se board area Public Service Board toska goika ase county mbarambare county ya Homa Bay sibono omokonyi mugabana abwe county ya Homa Bay oyugi magwanga abere ko bagakwerusie meremo na gwetige gasiri marioka hokwana anabararia nigo magwanga otebanga taranyora chinga kichingi yacho gokore meremo hanene agotebanga igabwata makongu egentokera kyorekanenga mbaregwana ano mugabana oyugo se mugabana oje oyore Gladys Iwanga korungana na magwanga niga hagotebanga egati yobokoreri bokongu tarikonyara gwikiranine sengenchonga tairi gose tairi kigari kibwenderete na irigo kigari cyani go cyabachiko irwa kirabenta kwegwa korwa ase government gose ase county serikali ye county manyene gatebanga area tigaira yemo nigo etariko korwa service gose teriko be komabuta cyabisi cyaye gatebanga cya segetu egento arakane gatebanga tagoendra kuri musara atarikonyara gwikirania abakoreri bwaye gochi asaba na inchi be county ya Mabeno nigo ngati yebintu birate ababiri byagerere kwerusie meremo oli marioka asebona tarari gosegetambokero kenda gochikoira emega ayo okweruse emirimo tyango to arenkwana ya mokonyi womugabana we county ya Mabey oyuweruse TBC.
When my leave lapsed in January 2026, I remained locked out and unable to resume my official duties while undertaking official duty in Nairobi, the official vehicle assigned to me or to my office was repossessed without prior notice. Remaining county vehicle allocated to my office is unserviceable, and I have not been facilitated with fuel or logistical support necessary to perform my constitutional responsibilities. These actions have rendered the office of the Deputy Governor functionally inoperative and have made it impossible for me to serve effectively.
Na tugutigana yo mwanchu mugeti gatuske mutu asevono umukonyi bwo muri bwense ya Kenya Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigarekane kubagikire bororo igatia barayi bari bagusegeta siasa gose kibura buru ase emesangekano yege siasa no sorogongororia arua Mount Kenya nonye nigo Kindiki ateyuringa emeremo barayi bari bakorre nerego chikubena ni obisi asenchera ere ejabene Kindiki leta chinga kichya nonye nigo mwanchu muri gotebanga nigo eserikali yakorera amange harene kwene kyanga uchumi yense ya Kenya kyonerense ase arekane tegwa kireko enchera eri serikali abarika bagikorania gose ebe ya mafuta ya petroli inse emergency ya Kenya aya nigaganya kwa tekura sense meria ya akiani asaikane cyumuroberi oye ebo kwena nagose bwo kwena na chinguru cyumurego chinsemo au muroro manekena na rural electrical renewable energy operation ase gose ase county ya Nyeri inse meria yebunge ya kieni ase kinyarokeria kya amarigana asaba tekaba kakwana nabamenyi ebense mejo noni gogo cyakya chinguru chimeroro ase chinyomba au nigo ona ase chinsemo chiri obonchiride tengo tare nkwana yaye umukonyi wo muri bwense Abraham Kithure Kindiki.
We will not allow anybody introducing violence in central Kenya, in any part of Kenya. You are living in the past. We will not allow you to incite the people of Kenya against one another, because politics is about ideas. Politics is not about violence. Politics is a competition of who among us has the best ideas. Mimi nimekuja hapa kazi na mimi nataka tutulize boli ya kisiasa. Wale watu wanaleta siasa huku ya kuchochea vijana wapiganishe vijana wale wengine. Hiyo tabia sio tabia ya pande hii ya mlima. Sisi watu wa mlima tunaheshimiana. Hata tukiwa na siasa tofauti tunaheshimiana. Siasa, kura itapigwa siku moja. Na mwenye kupigiwa kura sio mwananchi, ni kiongozi. Ni wewe utapigiwa kura ama ni kiongozi atapigiwa kura? Sisi viongozi mnachagua. So tusipiganishe viongozi wananchi, kwa sababu kura itapigwa siku moja ipite, wananchi watabaki wakiwa ndugu na dada, wakiwa majirani. Ndio kanategwa ndoito. Na mimi nimesema sitaki kuzumbuliwa. Mimi sitaki tusumbuane na watu wengine. Kila mtu afanye kazi yake. Mimi wacha nifanye hii yangu. Siku nitafika hapa kuuliza ruhusa yenu kuendelea, mtaniuliza maswali. Mtaniuliza ulisaidia sisi kiasi gani? Tulipata stima gani? Tulipata maji gani? Tulipata barabara gani? Soko gani lijengwa hapa kupitia kirauni yako? Hiyo ndio maswali mtaniuliza. Mtaniuliza unatoka wapi? Mtaniuliza umefanya nini? Ama namna gani? Kwa hivyo mimi niko serious na mimi niko busy na sitaki kusumbuana na watu. Petroli ilikuwa 218 shillings 2022. Lita moja 218. Nyinyi ni washahidi. Kila mwezi serikali imekuwa ikiteremsha bei ya petroli. Shilingi 3, shilingi 4, shilingi 7, shilingi 2, shilingi 3. Wiki ambayo imepita, last week, mwezi huu tumeteremsha tarehe 15 mwezi huu wa February, tumeteremsha bei ya petroli kwa shilingi 4 kwa lita moja. Ni kweli si kweli? between 2022 and now, petrol prices have come down by cumulatively 40 shillings from 218 to 178 today. Na bado tunataka tuendelee kuteremsha hiyo bei.
Na tugutigana yo mwancho murire tiga tuske mutu asenchera bene bono nigo omobunge bwensemo ya Kiaru Moske Ndindi Nyoro arakiriwo wabwaye kubatikana enchere serikali yense ya Kenya egusaba amakabesa kurengana na Nyoro mwancho murire nigabatebanga amakabesa yo enchera gusabu tabwatu bosoko baisaine ase ane kiringa nigo arachi kubika ense ya Kenya sako mwanene oso omokenya botambe uyogochi genderete egwakane bango irachi komubera omusigo oromone Nyoro nigaya kwaneta yago seniga yakwandaya akorwa ase ebunganane kero ebikaro byebunge ebigenderete esenchirire ya bene
and go and borrow money on double digit, Honorable Speaker. How can that happen logically, Honorable Chair? Japan GDP has not grown in real terms for the last 30 years. Let me start there. That dissuades the argument about heavily relying on debt. The Japan GDP has remained around 4.9 trillion US dollars since 1994, Honorable Speaker, in real terms. Second thing, what gets reported when we talk about debt to GDP ratio is gross debt. It does not account for the fact that you have borrowed, but you have also lent. Japan's case is this, Honorable Speaker. Japan, when we report the debt to GDP ratio over 200%, it has not accounted for the fact that Japan is the #1 lender to the US, Honorable Speaker. Japan is also a lender to Kenya. That is not discounted. When you discount that, the debt to GDP ratio climbs down drastically, Honorable Speaker. That's the point. But the other issue of domestic and foreign. Honorable Speaker, Japanese debt relies, yes, domestically in terms of resource mobilization. But you look at the cost. Japan can actually afford to borrow domestically at 0.5% and lend to another country at 3%. They will be in business, Honorable Speaker, because their money is cheaper that is coming in than the money that is going out, Honorable Speaker. And therefore, the issue about comparing Kenya and Japan and the US, when we need to make a political point, is totally out of place. Honorable Speaker, and I'm saying it very respectfully.
Yes.
I'll need an hour only to deal with that alone. Let me start here. When you are dealing with a country...
All right, we have 1 minute, and then we will... 1 minute for the benefit, because the chair really wanted you to elaborate.
Can I clarify, then I go to the 1 minute?
1 minute. 1 minute.
For this alone or for my 1 minute?
1 minute.
Okay. Honorable Speaker, the point I was making in terms of domestic borrowing, going back there, we come here and tell Kenyans we are borrowing domestically. But we are borrowing 78% domestically on one account, that we are leaving 3% interest rate money to come to a 10% money, Honorable Speaker. It's for one reason. We don't want accountability that comes with external money. External money, they will require you to do several things. One, you propose to form an infrastructure fund. Infrastructure fund in Kenya should actually be an illegal borrowing fund because you are forming it to leverage more and to borrow more. External money will tell you, we give you cheaper money, but account this as part of the national debt. But because the government does not want that accountability, then they come and borrow domestically, Honorable Speaker. External money like IMF, World Bank, and the other multilaterals, they will tell you a securitization and Talanta board must be part of the national debt. But Honorable Speaker, because we do not want that accountability, then we come domestically. Then what do we do domestically? We come and float boats. But who are the buyers? Number one buyer of the boat is NSSF. The number two, Honorable Speaker, is superannuation fund. And therefore, basically, part of this money is actually government borrowing money, its own money, Honorable Speaker. It's actually borrowing money that is meant for workers, Honorable Speaker, because phone calls can be made and NSSF can, in a manner that is not optimal, then channel resources there, Honorable Speaker. We need to know, Honorable Speaker, that the tendency we are on cannot perpetuate forever. We will soon be like Senegal, and later on like Ghana. But I hope the decision makers can realize that the stability of our economy is more important than the current.
What's your point of order, Honorable?
Nabo no ense ya Kenya aninge ebwate emegonde eisaine gusamare maisaine yokonyorie ndagera hime eyense ya Kenya hayane nkwana ayaye omwaziri bwekigancha agiye nibo gosiye kibesa musike John Imbadi na wanyenigo nigo Mbadi atebiringa enchera yoka sadakare yochkolya n'enchera yokonyoria mache eligo ikirania kobekera kubekera emimea amache ime eyense ya Kenya elikonyorie ndagera as kerengo kere ekegoro mono koranga Mbadi nigo bono serikali yabe kiremeroberi ao eliyo chikwene kinga endagera nkonyori bwere asenchera ere yabene eliko kyani muchanda obwencharo yogende konalia chinsemo ao ochiense ya Kenya. Mbadi niga yakwanyeta yakoru asensemo ya aero asare gochakia omuroberi ibwahero opamb station rehabilitation center eliyo yogo chikokonya konyoria ekemerike likemochere asensemi yo ya aero asenchera ere yabene kolenda nyenigo Mbadi nigo tachi tigotigerabu niga soeta asechinchere chege siasa asare kante ko moche bororo omuraibwe kyamakeria agia DCP Rigathi Gachagua asechinkwana chaye chabaka kwana asensemeria ya mlote ekero egietaro kiabaribari bakunyemere serikali ya korekana sorogongo rwagusi ritko elimo oriokaria itirete gutara chinkwana chaye omwaziri ibwekeganja kenibo imeyensi ya Kenya.
We don't have to import rice. There is enough land in this country. We only need water to irrigate. Then our people will get jobs. The youth are coming out of colleges. Wanataka kazi. Na kazi hakuna. That is the only way to create employment opportunity. So my friends, that is what we want to do. Let me move quickly. Today and possibly next month, the president is intending to break ground here in Kisumu for SGR from Naivasha to Kisumu. Because SGR is stuck in Naivasha. It is not helping anything. And it's not helping anybody. First of all, it is uneconomical, and there is no one who has senses who can put his goods from Malaba or Kisumu in a lorry, transport them to somewhere around Maimayu in Naivasha, to put them there, to travel to take them, transport them to Mombasa. That person will just put his goods in a car, in the lorry, and load them there, and transport them direct to Mombasa. Therefore, the SGR we have today is not profitable. It has no value. We must extend SGR from Naivasha all the way to Kisumu to connect it to LJT and the rest, to go to Uganda, and also take it the other line to Malaba. That one is what the president is committed to do, and he said he will start the construction. We want to start the construction from Kisumu going this way. There will be a station in Sondu. There will be one who calls Sotik. There will be one in Bomet. There will be one like that. Mpaka tukue na line from Mombasa all the way to our border with Uganda. Sio ni mzuri? That is what now we call broad-based government. And na hiyo ndiyo inafanya watu wengine wakuwa na hasira. Wanakasirika kwa sababu there are people who believe that development should not go to some areas. And let me say this, Mheshimiwa, and I know who you are, what your stand is, how good you are, I know. This guy is a perfect gentleman. This guy, akona roho safi. How I wish you could be talking to that guy. I know you don't talk to him. Huyu mtu anatoka kwenye huyu. Anakutoka kwa huko, anakuja Bomet. Alafu anaambia watu wa Bomet ati President Ruto amechukua pesa yote, amewacha Wakalenjin bila pesa, hakuna miradi, anapelekea Wajaluo pesa. Na mahali anatoka kuna miradi zinaendelea mbele. Zinaenda mbele. Kwani sisi si binadamu kwa nchi? Sisi Wajaluo ni si binadamu?
na togos kamutu mwancho mwelia ni governance ya Kenya erochie sagija jeni nkwana yumurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto kero harenge gochakia starenge kwigora wagachi wechi nyumba chiricha affordable housing chiricha abana jeshi chimanya kena Roysambu military affordable housing project asense meria ayebunga ya Roysambu iga ime ye county ya Nairobi asenchire yabene Ruto nigatebeteninga nigo agocha kwenekia wagachi wechi nyumba chiribuisato weka omotinyo katana limo na nigo nigatetenga na igaga netichi siringi bilioni 23 eligo chikwene kinga obwaga chibondi bw'inyumba chinde chiri bwikomi ngo chibura karekana imeyense ya Kenya se chinsemo aonanye nigo Ruto nigarete chinza chabene gwe yakere koko ase obose asamagendero ali abereko bakago chakya imeyense ya Kenya ekati yabo go chakya webara area ya Amau Summit yabereko bagakoreto umusemere komone asensemo oyo bosombi nyenigo nigakwandete goregeti igya talanta ekikigo chikwarigania chigosori cha Afcon homwaka ogocha egati iye emeroberi yende menge abereko bakago chakya inse eyo oboraibwaye tango twari nkone ayo maraibwense William Ruto.
These housing units here, 500 of them, are part of 3,000 housing units, the first phase. Here in Roysambu, in Nanyuki, in Gilgil, in Lanet, and in Mariakani. All the 3,000 units will be complete by June this year. Starting with the one we are handing over today. We have already started phase 2. And phase 2 is going to be 10,000 units. Already I've laid the foundation for the phase 2 in this facility. There is a rollout of phase 2 in many other military installations. And I am confident that with the model we have designed, we are going to deliver housing to not just our military personnel, but to our security sector in general and to the people of Kenya, as we are now witnessing. Just for the record, because many people don't believe in doing things differently. There is a lot of innovation. There is a traditional way we have done things before. It has worked before. It may not work now. Because times have changed. There was a time we could fund such programs from the budget because we didn't have 60,000 military men and women. We had less than 10,000. It was possible to do certain things. As the numbers grow, we have to think. We have to be innovative. We have to be creative. And we have to change our mind on some of the things that we have done the traditional way. That is why it is said that it is only a fool who doesn't change their mind. So we have to think outside the box. We have to look for innovative ways of doing stuff for our country. These beautiful houses you see here were not built entirely by public resources. 80%, maybe 90% of the money that built these houses is from the private sector. You know, many people would say, how do you allow the private sector to build houses for our military? Or at all. That is the new way of doing things, private-public partnership. The 7 billion that we are using to do the first 3,000 houses, most of it came from the capital markets. The 23 billion that we are going to invest in doing the 10,000 units, 80% of it will come from the capital markets, from the private sector. That is how we are going to change our nation. That is how we are going to secure our future. And that is how we are going to make dignity a right, not a privilege. So, as I stand here, I am very proud of the steps we are making as a nation. They may not be easy choices, but they are the right choices. And that is why we are seeing results. And we are going to do this. We are building Talanta, again, using both private and public resources. We are building Bomas of Kenya, using public and private resources. We are building Mau Summit Road, using public-private resources. That's how we are going to develop this country, good people going into the future.
Chumugaria cha turuke chidageka emirongo tatu onaisano igoro chinsenye chiabona mambia abuna onkoirera omutumo komotanganike gima njikonya wara glass kya machi kwende ginkona abageni bane ebaikire ime studio emambia yabone ega segeteseni kyo kyabene gien soko tv murobe netrobini niko togo chikomurekera amangana gendreta nosrongo rwagusi amangana ase ms ajege siasa togo chiko kwandrobo imesana igoro ya monchiro liege siasa ayo rekande ime rogongo rwagusi rogongora meneke nikoba enguba ya kiamakedia ya odium kwende bonega nigo ndochenga embeo nigo gendrete konya kogusa gochi aschinsemo au Dr. Daniel Nyabuti no ari meye studio mwanchu muyeria hoyo kurige kerego okeria akibugabana koro ase county Nyamira nabigo ninere Patrick Jet Makimiruka oyore omonyakere bobwe kyombekerege Africa Umbrella Peace Association igaiga meyense ya Kenya nabigo nabateno manyi wa mangana ayege siasa nigo togochi gosoime kabisa tu akobaria na kogireria hamangana ayege siasa no sorogongo orwagusi ne ngai ibona gusi ere ase emuroberio olia bwege siasa mutu mukoma kega tokana tochiko kwandra mange asetrobini nende nigegenderete
Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Ine asama kia ya mbireo, seino mbireo. Sama tuko amaega obugima bwakira litko bwomogusi nigo bwale gosirwa nobolemi likomera liburga lisamura byonsi asekerenga yokobeka ase ekiage ekemo ningi keire libaga likiage asenka yomogusi nobonchereria noborokia nobonyanyimbo gose nobwagachi somoroberio wikiage kyomobusi nobe gokumerana na inche Frida Kerbo kera litkoria ijuma chinsa ibere chamugoroba astogo sanga nomubusi kurwa chingongo eliokumanya naki bakwenyorera enyere yabo ya kera litko tomocha
Ebagotebang'o yogose komo elio nero gose kabuya Maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segeteseni kia usigetegia Nsoko TV bonigo ya ikirenga kingo koreta nganya sae nigonda koretero murobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia murobili nigonda orete amuna basomba banya sae abu astra ko batukwegera lingana sobwagale nantalia yoka nonyora matera noena masabo noboroli ntunyare koba tukurwa ayankira lituko liye sabato liya bande bagotebanga Jumamos abande batebanga Saturday chinsa 12 chamambia uweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchumulisyo ngaga nabasomba banyesaye ntokoletere umurubiri bweleso seseni.
Korwa igaiga asamaga choje bunge nene amaneria Senate umwancho murgeri gwe Soko TV ntabe to koretera amangana magia buna to wateka kurwa gaiga miyobo katakati ubumuchi Nairobi igoika igabo sore nchekuru kwa Daniel Omwaga ne yene Soko TV oboroso womugusi Mukabora ingerango oyetigo sori yabarire.
We've never seen anybody win 3 in a row.
Ona omwancha omurigereria ayabune motutire bwetigo sori ao nobe na kirengencho yokokokera.
Goal! Absolutely astonishing. What about that from Gareth Bale?
Igeteseni kia ogien Soko TV. Ibono nge guchunchugere gokwariganiria na gokwerera chigosori ao oboikeranu. Somo cha kubwata etariki inainche Daniel Omwaga bose ko gwancha nabo ogontona Erieta Suarez amagosari webegi iyo kolyo keraritko oliye chimamosi igo chakera egetone gikinze sano na isato chiamogaso goika 10 chamaragoba ase omoroberi ibwe achigosori amo nabanyangongo ase na kumanyana gokorosera ayatekire ase chigosori.
And he's awarded a penalty.
Omukubyo neritko abayigenwa abange kurwa chikansa bakumirana na komotogia omonene wetira amatera amansu ibibungo naboigo amarandia imegata seni gen Soko TV tochikumirana keraritko ria Jumapili jakera chinsa 12 chamambia weka chinsa inye zinyare komotogia munguru naboigo komoterera nanche Diana Ndemo imegata seni gen Soko TV.
Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi. Ni Mungu ametenda, ni Mungu ametenda, sio mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, hivi nilivyo mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi.
Eje nen Soko TV oboroso
Daika emerongo ene na ya moya butokirigore chinsa inye chabana mbe mwancho murelia iteseni inen Soko TV no murubire netrobini togendeta komorekara amangana ayege siasa anataka karakana hari akarakana yarachiko karakana ime ye chinsemo abagani bane ebaikire ime ye studio na senchera ereja bene nigochiko bareta ayemo asayemo inenyare kubamanya anaboigo onyare gokwana amange nabo gotomari buriria uririo gwaterege siasa anene ukerogwete ngarongo rwagusi ingaitubonta koba asensemo yege siasa tubonta koba asensemo yomore wensu William Ruto Westoko yanko ba SNCM yo kabere omwaziri woborendi bwime Dr. Fred Okengo Matianya yosi ogotoma kweterese nambere seskini yago sana boturikari uko asepeje ito oya Facebook haye inga yore nsemu kyore one time gose ntuta mwesenchira bene abagani bane ebaikire ime studio mwanchu mwiria na abuno roche kuroko bako kwanega iga nimbwato omugeni mutangani no kuroko kwanega kwa kabere garia nimbwate omugeni yonde na senchira bene tiganchake naye karibu sana.
Asante sana. Ile tankoro ku Patrick Miruka Internet chairman wa AUPA ni Africa Umbrella Patient Association na ndi rero asante ko invite into gaiga ko discuss ya mangana politics politics in affect kira ase patients and ase NC na kogendera. Yes.
Karibu sana.
Asante Soko to invite gaiga. My name is Daniel Kirusinya Buti. I'm aspirant Nyamira governor. I'm the incoming Nyamira governor. Na ndenta tego tebya abantu bali batakete ko Nyamira, Kurbosongo, asante sinyo kecheno, to base ko change station. To bata mangana maya sana.
Daktari. Why are you in Nyamira?
Nyamira ndo bata challenge, especially leadership. Leadership ndo bata emergency crisis. Nyamira there is nothing going on. Tubato bokongu because young people mbabu atikasi. Wese koliga likwasomira mwana kwa ni obulemo kwa mwaka ni refi ochire university ochire na ochire kwa jinsi yaga se kwa lekonena akurwania isa asimeke jinsi yaga. Mama mine suguma ya mo kurwana. Iwanda kwa Nyamira to change that mindset. We build industry, put our people back to work. Wese koliga Nyamira nyamira ntobwati no nechipa no nyagitari tobwati no na match ogenda bono nya match taijo iwo bono tobwati mechande mingi lakini bono that's why tuatenga young people we are ready to build Nyamira again
mashiro te sinchira bene ngegera match atayo ningotere korega sine serikali ne gosene serikali yo mugabana Amos Kimobe Nyaribo Patrick Africa Umbrella Patient Association tutarachi kusika mutu ekenkiombe kieke na nabogwe kwande singincho umwanchu mugenya ko baga okemanyo so wimake.
Yes. Ase obogima bw'omuntu at one point nabakoba a patient. Nebaye ngokorore gasia andosi nore possibility yokoba a patient. So ekiombeke basically gento ke gokora no koirachi like fighting for the rights of patients. Aino munyagitari omuguzi usai no mwananchi asandonsi nabo when tokoba a member we patient association muneye eriye kodigereria rights chao na ekokotetea ase andonsi yeah
akikwenya ruteme ya siasa
ime siasa sababu patients mbari big stakeholder ase chi siasa amangana mangi yako korekana ako to affect into na patients konye saizi go konyora mamo mino oseso koro kosa chi neighbors chi tobwate karoba bire patients koba tori toko teseka sana saizi gukorigira magana ya SHA patients na bago teseka kwa sababu bako enda gari Kenyatta bako gosa huduma na bako ba affected a lot so twenyore tasi siasa kwa sababu siasa nere ko determine kirigento aso mureria wense kwa hivyo ntoko ba out lazima to have that discourse ama lazima tuenane ebintu biri tutagete bikorekane asenseye bikorekane buya
ayabuno munyakero wowe kyombeke ninkikeri maybe omontaga netie amanya gosoa ase kyombeke osa amanya ko mbwata ni bwe kyombeke
monto ondebwensi na bako soa se kyombeke ntobwati restrictions sana abwanete to get in touch and then a team will just assess variable bakwane and then enroll. We don't ask much from the public. It's very small confirmation kwamba nari interested na ku advocate as a rights chia bantu bali parabe a patient ne about utanya kwa patient in future na bako patient or your neighbor na bako patient
aya mbia monende karibu metachiko kuona mange mwanchi mwemeche kuona mangana ayege siasa ne ngete siasa chiagusi kurende daktari Patrick okwanire igoro ya amangana aye kiganja keria agyasha igyokorana no bokoreri bwo bwene gukia asa abarore timetie sokorengana naye tatarachiko sosa mangana ayege siasa abakoreri ebwasha ngakioro chebo chiri tensi yake
Sha never the challenge actually is like a scam. You know, it's unfortunate that whereby we had a one amazing system which we have been working. Alafu montondole tegen tago tran era getali gokora. Kwa genda for example NHIF. Kwa ngwana nyagitali. Kwa kani rubaki x-ray. Nja what the problem. If a system never the problem, ewo kwenye fix. For example tienda akoboli. No bwate gari yanyole panja. Oko nyoni. Wandoka bese ndoleta. Ole tetali gokora. Toko nyoni kabisa yonspi ndole tegen tetali gokora. Ole te to yote yabando so raiga mobere maiga and must subscribe. Sha about the problem because about a lot of fraud. Ekiara system tell transparent in realing. And then back a lot of civic education bakole to people wamanyeko konye bring. Last week I had a chance to interact with a very senior person in Asha and now about the project to watch it accordingly. One them actually they don't pay hospital. They are struggling to pay hospital. One of my question is chibese chibako na chakiro mutinga chikochi. Ngaji omuntu yakobo chibese chu yangumbu gosena na jora rusi chibese aiga uide ngumbo o tinde koro umane go chaka igonyo na ki things are working shaba nyene na endo officially very senior office and they are selling to pay hospital they don't have the capacity to pay hospital so it's a scam
wakwane goro yasha amatuka era mayaga gaiga mo control budget nyakango nataka okwananga ntenyara konyora bese chigo chigo tebe nyara go trace how true is that no what any idea
What we need here is about accountability in the structure, because here again very opaque. SHA is very opaque. You find that it is good to embrace technology, but technology, there is a way you can breed it to be transparent. Not that you embrace a technology which is look like a scam. Even the Auditor General, the system when you kwa hapo kwa system hawezi understand, so una expect umondo nyamira umolemi ukuna jakero mutinyi understand ya yako ndari nyagitali otumira kende ngeyo olio nyagitali kera rwali yako chiko claim otebu kende ngeyo oko ndo busy kende ngeyo. Well, no, it's just like opaque something which is not there. Hot air.
Nyumba na yao lakini tubetio soka yetu besa chia umu au. Ngo korode ngo senko batanga mungane aba yaba ruire sana emergency ya Kenya. Ngake baruire baho tebi goro yo kunyoro ubwemya na kunyora eni bokoro shaba chikunyara gwetinero sobo nyagitari.
Muna daktari atebire shida nero asesha. For example, abaruire bari bakwenda Kenyatta, chi service nchire baringe ku access very easily, liditwa wate NHIF. Lakini saizi, because imba introduced the technology, na ere minister wata agotumia AI, artificial intelligence, wanomba wate some tablets, ase chi hospitali, kusemba igu chi computers. But you will find, abantu bari hospitali ata the IT, mbamanyiti kutumia ki tablet hili. Even if ata kwenye mbamanyiti kuchitumia maybe resources muna internet kubeka data for them kose kutumia some features mbamanyiti kuchitumia by introduce some very features inside those tablets ya go validate umuntu gakwenda hospitali igo umuntu gako miss gukora a certain step as a system eyu nabe gota treat umuntu ya approve yo umuntu yo treatiwe lakini ngakiri yo umuntu ri bona akoba discharged nabego ekwanga either kuwaka na hospitali gose eyange como discharge koko igoko kuligereri as a patients muna cancer the CT scan chiri diagnostics chia gakoliru very easily says chia very challenging as a patients ngodani muna ba introduce the system ba what enough time ya ko educate especially healthcare professionals doctors na healthcare provider bali abanyene chi hospitali bali bagutumia chi system yecho babante kuba educate buya I think yarenge very hurriedly like barenge kwenye minyoki sana lakini mba understand it kwamba as they do this thing abantu bali bagocha kwa mna bagukanya woni system yeyo na at this moment the patients na bago suffer.
If I add kidogo on SHA, you find SHA, it's why do I call it a scam? You find SHA unaenda kwa hospitali pale wakichiji unaambiwa network hakuna, so it's not working, denying people services. Unaenda pale kwa kichiji unaambiwa SHA you have to pay like once per year, you know, it's not flexible. Whereby like in NHIF, if I pay today I'll access the services, if I don't have money it hold on, when I'll pay in a run, you know, SHA is insurance and that's how insurance work. But now you find that SHA will force you to pay lump sum once per year. Now tomorrow there is no services. So that's why people are saying it's like a scam, you know. You are forcing us to buy this scam. But yabantu banyamira ba complain. Nanjina igule kere biro byabo. Na abana ate matia nyamangana ya SHA ikonya ligeri. Either don't the whole system to upgrade elitu amanyete yale ko kolegasi. Ko bwa tolete ebintu bitabugati bitali gokora. Quality apart from SHA what a lot of program chire hotel. Ogote biguga for example tianda kwa example you mwesonde last week etaramera Ruto president Ruto ngia koleta akapata Nairobi county government from after 2 days oiro umogana akatabana Ruto ite kulana garbage collection Nairobi toka akapata nere after 2 days oyoko okoe company agana. What are you telling us? So what man are you bringing as the national government before? Hakuna abana inchi go kwanda mangana Nairobi abana inchi go county ya Nairobi baga ndeta kurwa moni tukulia kabera rero chi county chionsi isa na ibere chi county ya Nairobi karanga ni sana ibere chi constituencies barachi ko kana ngamba target mu ruberi oyo serikali ni chi kunyara kwira ni mu ruberi chi state county kera abana inchi ba moni abo yo go kana umaete nabe teko irani I don't think because already what you are doing already musha sign mume outsource service to international company. If you go against this agreement, kuna hiyo legal precaution, hiyo mnalipa penalties. Na itakuwa coins, itakuwa a lot of money. So already what you are doing, already shaenda. Ni kama umeuza gari na hiyo gari imeuzwa. Sasa unafuata gari umepeana na ishauzwa to the third party. How do you chase?
So Patrick, kiki serikali ndio nitokora yo kusanya maoni gento babekirese.
That's already Nairobi nkagete whatever the government ego jaribu okora, it's not bad per se. Kwa sababu mtu aroche before president NMS jari ngororo. But again tukiritora tebe caution kwamba babeke the contract into public, abantu baligereri chi details ba change. Maybe this is more into execution na operations na logistics. Nchenkagete this is very important because the chipesa chirichire involved like 80 billion or 50 billion. Nchire very important kukwa ingested as a garbage collection to make sure kwamba Nairobi iko very clean. Kwenye kwa chire Japan for example, mna chire Japan, China, Asia, I mean okonyora kwamba they used something called smart technology bako convert dirt convert to some energy. Nkagete because Kenya na toteva kwenye correct tore tobwati that kind of technology ya ku utilize the dirt even to make some plastic or some carrier bags into what such technology. It's very good kwamba nabotogo collaborate na other countries chirichu already chansire kokora that smart technology. Muna Ghana Ghana it's a bit cleaner. Nogenda Rwanda is extremely clean.
Rwanda is very clean.
Igeko manishana ki Kenya locally ntura abana hiyo capacity. It's good to collaborate but tobe na kitu inaitwa transparency na governor kokaregas na national is a good thing ko ingest chivesa. Nkagete mna abana inchi gente kenkeni go change nko bakerororo but maybe the execution nere go chakaba very transparent bila go change mandate ya county ko national.
Daniel, event kawo kwa na igoro ya mangana ya garbage collection na converting to some energy. Igo tokoteba nto konyara go sento bwati biranga byo konyara agose unata transparency me transparency semwe no bokurumi na boko garanta okari bintu bunebi.
No, it's unfortunate that the program went ahead because we believe this generation we can. We have a lot of what we do in business. I come from business world. We do what we call partnership. And when you do partnership, you don't sell what you have to bring something. What you do, you partner 50-50. Like go up at GM. We don't manufacture cars, but we assemble them through partnership, international stakeholders. So if they have idea like this one, and they know the benefit is if they bring those innovations here, because we have the idea, we know how it's run. They can just bring that innovation here. They build those institutions of doing your bakora energy smart. That's knowledge transferring to the local. They partner with a local company. They bring that industry here. We'll do it and it put a lot of jobs. But these people, because wanatupia kipindi ya iko ile kipindi ya hapa na pale hiyo hatutaki. Unapata sasa nikuulize sasa. Nairobi governor, it's not the same what Turu did. Uhuru alifanya NMS. NMS was a local company. It employed local people. But now umeacha Kenya na ambao unemployed. Wanaloita kwa street. Unatoa company Ghana, unawapatia kazi hapa Nairobi. Na wanakuja na their staff. Wanapatia passport. Umeona ile ujinga inaendelea hapa kwa Ministry of Passport. Sijui mwenye ambaka Al-Shabaab kesho utapata akona passport. So that's what we don't want. That's why young people are standing up. That's why I want to be a Nyamira governor. I don't want my people to have the problem. That's why my policy in Nyamira ni industry first. Tuweke watu wetu kwa kazi. Pesa kazi sio kazi sahi. Kazi ni pesa mfukoni. Hii mambo for example. Hii president anafanya hii policy anafanya ati kazi ni kazi. Kazi ni kazi ni kuja uko na shamba leo. Ninunue hiyo shamba, nikupatie pesa. Kesho hauna shamba, utakuwa unakaa unalala kwa street because it's closing all industries. Those are the foundation our forefathers created to create employment for the future of their kids and the grandkids. But ukuja uze, ufanye watu jobless. Alafu unawapatia pesa kupiga koronda hapa 2,000 5,000 naambia you are creating employment. We don't want that. That's why we are saying Mr. Fix Matiang'i, come and fix the nation. We don't have shortcut.
Chikaki choko kubokwandra igoro ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i mwanchu mweri nkumanyibunga Fred Okengo Matiang'i no ara sense media ya Maimayu igobale amono murebwe kama kiria gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua bare no murebwe kama kwa Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka bonsi yabo nigo obare asomusali ribu chikolijia ni ngochikowe bendera ayo kwimukia gusayo guchikotema komorusia isiko yabisi omuraiwe nse William Ruto kwende tengo tare nkwa naye yogendrete korwa chinse muchiche Maimayu ya Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Mwambia Mheshimiwa Rais bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, asante. Na tunamwambia kwa upole na kwa heshima, sisi tunataka kuendelea mbele. La mwisho, Mheshimiwa Rais amesema jana eti hakuna wajinga Kenya. Ni kweli hakuna wajinga? Kuna wajinga Kenya? Hakuna wajinga. Sisi ni werevu, tunajua kazi imewashinda, tunaona kazi imewashinda. Ni kweli hakuna wajinga. Kama anaheshimu hayo mambo ambayo alisema kwamba hakuna wajinga, basi akubaliana na sisi kwamba sisi zote ni werevu na tumeona kazi imewashinda na tunataka kuambia bye bye. Sawa? Harambee! Harambee! Mungu na awabariki.
Asante. Pia tuko na kiongozi wetu hapa, Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. Mwambie hi cousin. Hi cousin.
Maimayu hoye, Nakuru hoye, Naivasha hoye, Harambee! Yaani nyinyi ni one term. Tunaweza kuona kusema kweli vile mmerauka mapema. Maimayu ni mahali pa ajabu. Mlitoa maji Maimayu hapa, ukitaka kutengeneza mayai unaweza kutumia Maimayu. Si namna hiyo? Hapa ukienda juu Kijabe, mahali missionary walikuja kwa wingi, kanisa la AIC huko Maimayu. Na kusema kweli hapa ni mahali pa historia. Lakini leo tumekuja ili tuamkuane mapema. Niwaulizeni, unajua mimi ni kuso? Mimi ni kuso? Muriega ndoito. Muriega ndoito. Onakadira kara. Sasa unajua Rigijia amenifunza Kikuyu haraka sana. Ile ilikuwa naelewa vizuri sana. Unasiadhira kara. Si namna hiyo? Ni lazima tuokoe nchi. Nikisema Wiper, mnaniambia tukomboe Kenya. Nyinyi mko tayari kukomboa Kenya? Kwa sababu mahali nchi imefika ni kukombolewa. Huyo ni dada yetu Martha Wangari Karua. Tuna timu ama hatuna timu? Timu iko hakuna ama hakuna timu? Viongozi wako chungo nzima, na huyo anaandamana naye ni Mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalwa. Harambee! Harambee! Mbona Rigiji aliwaeleza vizuri, ndio muone Martha vizuri, tuweke mabango, si ndio? Tumeona vile mna support wenzetu, wengine wanataka kuchaguliwa, ni vizuri, lakini kwa sasa tuweke mabango chini. Si namna hiyo? Ndio muone Martha sura yake, ndio yule. Mpigie makofi tena. Nilikuwa nikisema Wiper, munanipa komboa Kenya kwa sababu ni wakati wa kukomboa nchi. Nyinyi mko tayari Maimayu? Wiper. Hiyo Ruto hajasikia anakombolewa. Hata hii kusema, ndugu yangu Fred Matiang'i amesema vizuri, tumpeleke polepole. Hapana, hii mtu ni akupelekwa mbio mbio kama ile baiskeli ya kuibiwa, ama sivyo? Nikisema Wiper nipe komboa Kenya. Wiper! Wiper! Wangapi wako tayari kukomboa nchi yao, kukomboa nchi yao, kukomboa nchi yao? Alafu huyu jamaa apatiwe one term. Tunasikia wameanza kulia kila mahali. Na bado walikuwa nalia, walikuwa kidhani hatutatoka mahali kwa wananchi. I suspect hata kina Martha wamechelewa kwa kufungiwa njia. Sisi tulikuwa werefu. Sisi tulipitia Ngong, tukatokea Suswa, kwa hiyo tulijua hapa na mpango wa kufungia kina Martha. Sisi hatuwezi kufungiwa barabara. Ndio tuje tuseme kumekucha. Mumeona juzi Kisii na Nyamira. Mumeona Nairobi vile ilivyo. Kenya nzima imeamua na sasa tunaelekea Nakuru. Kwa hivyo mimi nataka nipongeze Mama Jane Kihara kwa msimamo wake kusimama na Rigiji miaka yote, aogopi. Mama huyo aogopi, amesimama. Wengine wakirushwa, wakinunuliwa, yeye anakaa ngangari. Kwa hivyo tunafuraha kufika tena Naivasha leo. Ni lazima tufike Nakuru kabla ya saa 10. Huko mnaona Nakuru yenyewe. Asante. Kule Nakuru mumeona Ruto na watu wake, makateli wenzake wamenyakua ardhi karibu hata State House ya Nakuru inanyakuliwa na hoteli hapa. Hii ni aibu ama si aibu? Aende asiende? Wangama sema jamaa waende nyameni. Wainoke. Okay. Ainoke. Kwa hivyo nina furaha, tunasonga mbele. Niko na mheshimiwa kutoka huko Mwingi, wengine wamezuiliwa hapa na traffic wanakuja, lakini mheshimiwa Nzengu kwa wapi? Kutoka mbunge kutoka Mwingi, huyo tumpigie makofi. Amejaribu, ameepa. Kwa hivyo ndugu Rigiji, mimi nataka mjue
ne kamberia bari bakunyamereria serikali United Opposition corona baburiga Gachagua Kalonzo Musyoka no aregaria tubate mathakarua Eugene Onyanigo tubate Fred Okengo Matiang'i bare sensemeire ya Suswa Maimayu ese bagende kwana rumbe ya Bakenya obesokiri iri kuigwa mangana ari bakunya ko batebya nekira bagende kunyagikiria serikali na higo tobuchi gukwana kabisa mangana yo na abamanyi bana bege siasa me studio gaiga Daniel Nyabuti yo kuriyekero kibugabana hase county ya Nyamira na baigo Jet Patrick Mark yani Patrick Mark yeteneli kwa busara
Patrick
Jetmark Miruka tuagure abara ibagukwana sana tukabarara ditkolie ikema tukabera etire igalia sensemo ya Nyamira bagachakela mloti bagatumuka Nyamira bakaende county ya Akisi na gukwana amange timete audio file ese gusiya bire kegosoa guseke koba ase ekyamakere audio mwesenga kientambe timete ngakigwete ebona iga igore serikali me tubate babu soro tubate na mugavana Paul Simbarati tubate ne sede Matiang'i bakora una abaraibanda bange una oyo kabero Moses Machogu ingaki oroche gusibona
nintagete kwa very fair ase Matiang'i lakini ginkorigere mna agakora siasa chia ni ndoche na korete ngoja gukorare amagosa ase siasa chia njino mugusi na ndeninga mineti keria korire gusi size is undisputed kingpin oitua saba gusi lakini tokunya kugenderera kwenye ngukwa na torichi siasa cha the Matiang'i factor in Kenyan politics. Matiang'i lazima he get it right. Ninkagete he's not getting it right at the moment, but he has a chance maybe in a few months to correct what he's not doing right. So gusi first of all ntubate governor turochi unobate governor gari Kisii county nobate governor gari Nyamira nobata barai gari na Matiang'i tarakora a very good mobilization yokoreta abarai amu noche and that will be very difficult for him. However nabotota yana kichi siasa nchiro cha 2 term chirichi ko bastua ogorchi gota ba associate na Matiang'i but nobate ntubate oyu osoro osentubate baliba ko ba aligned serikali ya lakini soko Matiang'i no murai or very special olio orangereti una youth nande no nyinchi na rangere na rigeten kata Matiang'i should come as many young people na ba murangereti ko World Bank wasokuru gasiri arenga gukora gari America na riachiche lakini riachite ebintu mbira konya gukora ibitorochi naki first is making a lot of mistakes in his journey Number 2, yentu keria wanta kwa lazima disassociate na Jubilee first of all. Lazima disassociate. At some point lazima disassociate. Lazima ruororo. Nocho mno jamaa yorenge koro kwa Bosire ODM arenge treasurer.
Oyo tigigwetie.
Akanga ko swase kasi aruto arangire tikutego. Wansire kiama kiae. Iyunero kumaanisha na Matiang'i kwenye UPA atagete abwante kusimamisha UPA ebe na coalition na Jubilee nari ba mobilize the united opposition, which I don't believe kama united, lakini if they can mobilize na nde baba united na ba ara irane to the track. But as for now, I want to be fair, I'm a pro Matiang'i person, lakini navigate a lot of mistakes which I think como cost chile kusenkova cost chile. So even if you look yesterday, there was by-election in Kenya, all of them UDA won. Kwenye nobo maina abanome abawonsi Gachagua, Kalonzo, Matiang'i na abantu aba united opposition. You must at least win something.
But they seem not be interested in mba manonchi kambe intro chino bagwaka se biroge byo se
na kinko taina ki abantu abambali serious, to be honest. At some point ni ba analyze it very well, but I can tell you if Matiang'i disassociates from this group, it's better for him.
Muchengo tiko kwandra yusante te komwa Daniel Ibaga muchera wanta ichi point yechi Matiang'i ataraweka kilianchire chichi rinde asotire yo dawo
nda tekoteva. It's unfortunate a young man who's speaking like that because Matiang'i need to as young Kenyans 2024. Actually we call Matiang'i from where he was so the mwagerism of the omwaka to acquire one mission enjoy fix the nation amangana political associating with failures like Simba Radi to akadine Simba kumbe nembeba abata marieta abere Simba nembeba bali yako likichikula na Simba neta tojinga nekebe bosongo kendinge yako industry wo bibuka akora the same way Nyamira those he's doing amazing work with associating with those people is a failure ekya young people ama young Kenyans batebire abantu buna babo Simba babo Nyamira kabana na Nyalibo litimbo lili they have no place. So Matiang'i is doing amazing work without associating them. Because how do you associate with a failure? One thing, Matiang'i tulimuita Jubilee, Matiang'i is the best candidate for the president. Why? Matiang'i he believes that Kenya is not a village party. I have to come with my party here. Korwa.
Fred Matiang'i Daniel na beta associated sana na nekia makia UPA baka akasokea abantu bane una CMC. Lakini taro ya gusita kutaruka ndikago kwa na kene yonsi gore kia mekyo okia UPA. Na abara bari bacho na UPA tekora nganga ngochi bare korata ogwetana gete nekia ma Jubilee ntukira rekubagana chikura soro ngorwa kusi.
Well, no, I like Fred Matiang'i. He's doing like a genius guy. Like Daniel.
But
one thing,
UPA
is a village party. He's just in Nyamira. Matiang'i, what he wants is a president, not a village leader. It doesn't matter. Matiang'i is not appointed as from UPA. There's nowhere. Tunasema Matiang'i yako na position in UPA.
Yatine ni yabara yi babusi. Ibiri yatine yabara songwa babusi. Utego chikwa abantu bandi gwetagati.
Diango tebi bona mugaso. Kali bona botuko. Chama ireguzi Jubilee korugoro bakayinze. Bunanje Nyamira governor. Tuagiri yabara ibonspi. UPA inenga kieli twaengo aka.
Ikia madota komoraranya Matiang'i UPA kegendarali. Turangira ne.
Either you join us. Wo amna Timothy asa yako na kiyama keli. Join Jubilee. Tiana wade amnyoke join support bune governor yae ajibuangu mapema. Talikale ajelero mapema. Bunango rugayiga. Anga akere simande ndade join Jubilee na lengo support. Ekiara ndota village party. Ndota idibotule. Talibotule Matiang'i akoligi. Ngate benga Nyami UPA nere bosongo te yo Nyamira gera nduta itibo tuleti Matiang'i twamoye good assignment Kenya ngimayonspi twamoye omwaka Kenya we need fix deliverance. That's why tokoro kanyaki Matiang'i the what somebody who deliver Ose ile ministry yae asa etire deliver bona kala abantu bande tokumigo no Simba na jine chiko erende chama leta bile Simba nembeba twajire kumanya bana ndo amwe gasi to nembeba taliye Simba iga bona kingotebera iga there is no industry launch. You know, we gave him as a young person alikuwa na image ya young person Simba he was but people believed in him. Alikuwa na ile image as a potential person. But wana kitwaje kwa nyawala kwa nyarab no mugaka obongo no mugaka osokoro. Tabu atikenda gote. Iwe bwana kingote lika. Matiangi assignment ya bwate from all Kenyans. And Jubilee are our brothers. Inaona ba mwendozi na ndeke lako na meze ko negotiate. He don't come from Kisii. He come from Mount Kenya na Kisii. So he has a very high upper hand. Wewe ko lele abatume mbele mbaka nyora ko Jubilee ko Central. That's a, for example, tena ko my brother. Nobata bamura babiri. Nanje nimbata bamura 10. Lakini oyo nabwata batano. Banya gota babiri. Kwangira aba 10 na mentira abane babiri. Bona ke toko so esegi ngoje na bamuto 12. Kaka tole backup ya Mount Kenya. Oko manage county village ya Gusii. Ndenya abane bakonya koyana. Bakonya koyana.
Do you believe mnao kwa na UPA watu goje ide Jubilee?
I don't believe. I think if Matiang'i follow Keriago Kwana, Matiang'i is going to fail. At the moment, Matiang'i as siasa cha Kenya na aba pinzani, Matiang'i is number 2. Ruto is number 1. Matiang'i is the only person number 2. However, munakonya kogenderera bintu bya okora. If he was to follow Keriago Kwana, Matiang'i definitely will fail. You need a sure 100%. Diango
what statistic?
Yeah, ni mbate reason.
From my propaganda nende. Unajua propaganda and it's unfortunate these young people wanakuwa manipulated in these two terms. Whereby even they don't know what they're just you see you cannot be pro Matiang'i while we mwenyewe your mindset inaongea something different, because if you come practically Matiang'i want to be a president, not a governor. Nangotara mpinga nyambia mo UPA ya moteba igona kya tena ki akoliga linga ki Central Nero, Nairobi Nero, Kilase Nero omaye kolwana batia abantu bale manipulated. Wacha bata Matiang'i should come with a village party called UPA. What is UPA? Even ODM cannot
trend na chake ninki Matiang'i kiria tarakora kora ngana
igen tukiria tarakora ntorigo kwa na social media. Sawa? Social media abantu bali very educated na bako mo advocate ya abana banyagitari abana biashara abana habari abuna bako mo advocate ya. Lakini torigereri how many people bali educated in Kenya was bali working class? 3 million, isn't it? 3 million people as the entire population. However, you tukiria wento kwa groundwork strategy. Groundwork strategy na aru social media agende ground mobilization. Abe monto tokoroka a political mobilizer. Agenda seri ground atwara aba mura.
Munagashagwa.
Munagashagwa. Gashagwa nare strategies tase ground mobilization. However, ereti amagosa ali akorete nande nogochi abantu bari ase inse utari gukuna. For example, into Gashagwa rengo kwa na gari Gusii yente kebesana. Ota nakimoko chagwa omuindi.
Bora neki maana kwa.
My friend. Abantu bari utari gukuna ase into kokoroka political power. Political power.
Mondi yigako.
Moindi aba indi mbali actually tribe in Kenya. No matter what tribe bali. So konye mbali tribe na kyoko kwa no uyu muntu no muinde you discrimination, you tribalism, you racism. Toko kwa na bintu mnebe.
Tenda kubuli. Allow me because kwa na baindi. Me have worked in our India hapa. There very discrimination. All graduates Borio Moindi, oko train Moindi lero na go there as a salesman. My first job was at university. Omondi oja from India na mo train or many market na mo oro keregento. I will salary 3 times what I'm earning. I will get net driver and I will fare na te gutana atueru. That's discrimination. Hit your own why they working in our country? They should be their place there.
No. Their place.
Yeah, only discrimination in our country. They should be discriminating there. You should interact with young people. You know their pain. When we go to street, we say,
lakini mbaba tena kwa na ubegoro ya abantu bamuamu kolende etogendreja.
Yamate mo. Terigito tubente koba cohesive country. Cohesive country ni naki tocha kwa bana abantu bali bande. Omanye na kichi tribe nchiro chikunya go chicha na ngucha kuba chire very powerful. Muna Chinese. Umugabana na nyometo mu Chinese. In Gusii uri Gusii tarimo. Igali Gusii saizi aba Chinese chi project bao kora gali in some time to come in future eba gocha kwa a tribe in Kenya. Ntubwate gali Kilimani ikoro ku Chinese street. Igari abantu mbali otari gukora yani you won't fight this war because we are going to be a very cohesive country. Kwa sababu our policies ni chile chikoreta abantu. Noche, our policies, even the current policies, bring people to Kenya to bring resources.
Ngochande sore uchikonte ngina nes Daniel ngochara sore uchikonte vigoro wateri matyangi te mobilization ne remechando ngochire ko advice sinki abana te kokora kera kwa rure point ko kurwa ne solution approaches
asante so ngali again. It's unfortunate. You know, you have brought a lot of topic including Chinese. Even they get mosia they didn't see abandon kina magesa bide. Now yenda so globally mo this kondo agamba asali because you are minority. You gonna bacha Kenya ambao to manipulate. What is there? What is there? Mbanya kwa president baka we MCA bintu binde.
Baja ko kaniwa Obama
a condition you must be born there. Toko ndoro rogole you must be born there naturally. Dalingo ndogolo jago bagambera mbawanja. Anyway, come my point. It's unfortunate that young people sometimes were brainwashed because they believe that there is a token every day here and there, while they forget about their tomorrow. One thing, Matiang'i has been given assignment by Kenyans because he's a performer. There's a difference between a performer and a politician. Babo Simba is a politician, propaganda, Babo Simba is doing those leaders which we are saying Matiang'i is not working with them, they're working with the old politics of Raila, whereby you talk, doing nothing. There's no industry, there's nothing. People are there doing nothing. But Matiang'i is not going to associate with them. And the young people, we believe in him, and all Kenyans, they know that Matiang'i is not a politician, he's a performer. And he has a very clear instructions and performance. Go and fix Kenya. There's a lot of corruption. There's a lot of umeona hii wanapiga propaganda na wanauza mpaka kila kitu. Yamba kuna shindwa sasa. We don't have a country, but we are here to build hope, keep hope alive. That's what Matiang'i anasema, I'm here to fix the nation. Keep hope alive. Coming to this Matiang'i associating with other leaders, coming together. He believes in democracy, and you cannot do it alone. That's why Matiang'i, wakati he was given pressure. Babantu bakusinga Matiang'i uko tu wale party yao toka in the election with other party. Tukamwambia Matiang'i hapana, you are a national leader. You can't come with a village party. ODM is coming a village party. Tukitoa Kisii, it's a village party.
But the sorry, Daniel.
Yes.
Kalonzo Musyoka. Abate kiama kia.
Yes.
Mike Sonko na tane kiama kia. Former secretary yonde yo ODM gwa mkwana na chitene kiama kia.
Yes. Na nje ngutane
kiama kia. Igadi gashago na chagiti kiama kia.
Yes.
What do you think igoro ya Matiang'i whatever kana igoro ne kiama gia UPA ne kia agatige agende Jubilee.
Of course that's
nende chitali mora iwe kiama gia Jubilee kama konyi bo mara iwe kiama gia Jubilee.
He did a very nice thing like Solomon. Otherwise Kenya tunampigia makofi because ekerota itobugambi utatugambira abantu bakoire instrument baterina ki aye usikoligeri toko iseko komenta igo
lakini metokombe wabande na umonye nawo chabatengo kubante te uchukuri mabona
tenda kuvoli ubokombe wabana bo ukolimira nabo ukolimira abamura chinguru cy'abantu none kibiyase none nse kwa gajunji kibiyase abande kwegure kibiyase abande bakwa ko bali obunganya asole kwa gacha industry egentege tanganite yeke egentege ndaba gusiba iminto batike tenga watabanga Matiang'i ne kiama cy'abanda bate Matiang'i ne rumwambi wa Jubilee na ile leader ya Jubilee na nengo te abantu bagusiba onsi twabekire uniform ya Jubilee kurugoro bakanyise uyo nya watabane village party ya UPA ya ndali yo wa MCA no village elder the same way Ekiara bonta yete ekero the president. That is not an MCA you want. That is not an MP. That's a president to appeal everybody. Nale bana kwa holiday bali ba hote naki. Twaldo bongaini bwa ombole umotumbu yole. Injuto ko yango beke yanga yaito. Toko ne chinguru cyaba murabaito. Toko ne votes cyaito. Ekero tu ongoze. Ingiyo kwangira. Kwani a general like a general. A general army. Do you have to have your own nini? But you nabo konyo mukamba nere general umoikoyo mokwerende bonse lakini ayo kubangoza bonse mwaruana
enera gakwirwe ticket ya Jubilee for example na nesemeri ende UP ya teniri umurwana eliyo tekarenganga ango chiere koreta effect yanene ase bali essence ya opposition bawo chikuteni umura bali essence ya serikali bawo chikuteni na barabu umura yobo kuruse content nyamira
tokoliga performance. I think Matiang'i represent performance. For example, UPA. When you talk about UPA in Amira, it's a failure. Starting from the governor himself is a failure. The MCA themselves are a failure. So where is their success which will attract people to come? Because there is nowhere there is success. But as a Matiang'i Jubilee, we have seen success. We have seen deliverance. Uliona Mama Linda through Uhuru. Huyu mkora alikuja akatoa, si ndio? So unajua haifanyi, hii ingine ni kipindi. Haya, sasa so those are the programs which have been tested, have worked. But ukikuja hii kipindi ya UPA hakuna hata saa hii ninashangaa mnaongea hapa mambo.
Wapi ame msende ba irachi kwa bila osogotoge wake.
Eli, you know what happened? Kuna wakati tulikuwa tunajialign. But sasa tumevaa uniform. Umeona tukiwa Kisii tumevaa uniform ni Jubilee. Na nimeambia ma MCA wote wa Nyamira, usinisupport kama uko Jubilee, sitaki kura yako. Nataka mtu anisupport mwenye ako Jubilee. Mwenye anasupport Matiang'i anisupport. Mwenye anasupport Kasongo sitaki, hii uongo sitaki. Nataka mtu ako Jubilee. Kama una feel Jubilee hatuwezi shinda, that's why
no wote bwana ntaracha bori.
Nkagete mnagoteba ati Matiang'i afukuze ati umuntu uri ko support atagete abantu bari tubako ma supporting bari bakurwa seke ekechi makeriare na magosa banene sana kwa sababu orore muna Ruto muna lilie ngakiri arengo kopigwa na Uhuru nki akorete aruita sekia mekyo akagenda akaunde kia makia kia
tarueta it is resign
akaunda
no resign
so hata Matiang'i resign to aunde kia makia
o jamali kama Jubilee mpaka the last minute
acheta akabeke kia makia
unadanganya wananchi
akaanza campaign chae kutumia kia mekyo taribo kwa sababu in Kenya ta ku resign kwa sababu deputy are elected taribo are elected kwamba bakoba etiquette mtobwati right now vice nero lenge kufukuzwa na kiki Uhuru tainge kucha kumufuta gasi. Let's go back to the point. Matiang'i lazima lazima disassociate from Jubilee.
Is it a must?
Origereria siasa cha Kenya kire ngaki ekia makiria achete kuwine nkia soetie ekia pakende norigi nak jaringe nak baka change you do baka change to PNU noche wakati tuachete Uhuru gochicha tukabika TNA wakati gocha TNA tukaenda Jubilee wakati now Matiang'i tawato tayatuiranire Jubilee ria ba Kenya bangite na ria ba tobento kurigere naki nginto kikiagerete na UDS wa aba Kenya bangi barenge very disappointed na Jubilee kwa sababu minto biri Jubilee ansia betengo kolere tekoreti na riba kareta UDA na sisi togoteana ki nkiri kikeri abantu ba olire UDA tari gokora batagite kurusi UDA wana ba kintu kiri tote tokurudi UDA tokoira na se Jubilee nande na chi policy cha Jubilee kwanza tokorigererio murayo yo Jubilee no Uhuru Kenyatta taibo riria genda gari Azimio inga appointed Kalonzo Musyoka kwani are honest kubeka listen in Kenya ama in the world ama in the ire spirits ekobanaki ekotebanaki the kingdom of God serves violent and the violent take it by force. Eko maanisha naki politics tori kwegwa tori kwegwa uongozi mna Matiang'i akwegwa na Uhuru na ratumie chibesa chia Uhuru ekwegwa by force nero bwenete kuruisko aye mekero manyene abe very charismatic amobilize abe kaba mura ground abantu bake chisiasa che proper ina magosa
do you think appointing of Kalonzo ku Azimio kunomraibwe Azimio nere komwere chance yochi kokwe bandera yokoro kubure bwense?
I can tell you it's a very big challenge for Ruto for Matiang'i ni challenge nene sana and go kwa reason again plan nje nimenyete central I mean like central niko needed to what central talk about na the central mbawate chibesa mbawate the power money Indians bari akwa na mbawate chibesa na because in politics you need people to give you oxygen through finances now central mbari leaning bari lean to Kamba to Kalonzo na the Uhuru ntoko mwamini 100% you need sure na ba ekoba yuna bera a very big oxygen for Kalonzo na unajua Kalonzo ntoko mwamini nande from his track record na bako kugeuka se the last minute.
So where are you? 2 term, 1 term. You have talked a lot.
I mean no term. Just analyzing.
Tarachi kwa break na ukora kwa mweli baka na kwa kweli kwa kwana.
Tinda kora kabisa. Ndeto tana ki Matiang'i na wate a chance. but his chances lazima achifuate steps chiri abwente kora and I hope today na utora kwa ne chis ebintu biri kumatianya abwente ko bikora with emergency ara biri komwa a chance aso oborai wense
ukwane rigoro ya Kalonzo gochorwa una murai Azimio itamete go sechia bodi mchichi gotoko wikero mwako gocha kurinde oloche teriko mwa kuboko okukwa igorake gochia kwegwa karabochi ko ochorori ko boli borai kurwa ase nsemeri opposition.
Okay, you see, politics is a plan. It's not about, it's like a coach. When you coach, kuna spectators wanaangalia anasema umefanya makosa hujafanya, lakini coach anajua what he's doing. When Kalonzo was elected to lead Azimio, anajua vizuri Kalonzo sasa wakati siasa yake to be honest, siasa ile generation ya kina baba Kalonzo, hiyo siasa hatupigi ile ya kipindi, tunapiga practical. Tunataka someone to come and fix the nation, and that person is Fred Okengo Matiang'i. It came from the street, imetoka kwa wakulima na sasa imeenda mpaka hapa. Coming to, and I insist Matiang'i akuje na party yake. Matiang'i mwenyewe has no interest because he believe he's not doing a village political party. Matiang'i is doing a national party una wengine. Na Kalonzo anajua vizuri na tumeambia Kalonzo, wewe ni ndugu yetu. You are the senior most in this politics. You have been there with Baba for a while. This time ni man, we need someone to fix the nation, not a politician.
Gocha tore to kwanda yo century yabaime anen kwana ya Gachagua yani ya Matiang'i igoro ye mbinu wente kutumaka gochora homora yo yokubole ko opposition to kermo tumoko kego mwanchu mulira to kana to chikendra na abageni bane Mark na aboigo Daniel Kurume studio century yabene ko to kana to chikendra kwana manga ne siasa ichikendra te kona alliance ya Kenya ka troche bochore wanne bo mwaka chibiro mgeni 5 ebere ubore mutwe omwaka ogocha.
Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bumugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721511500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri ugucacirimo ugakweba betri ulegene cinga kichonsi ebenga kieri nga kiyobokendu tawe candika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chipetri uratumia cinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru.
Kupitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Betri ya Autobat ni betri ambayo ni spill proof, kumaanisha hiyo betri haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo betri imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss, kumaanisha sasa hiyo betri hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid. Asamange
twakirisimi namba 0739 697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kujamstatiwa, wachana na betri kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Betri ni Autobat.
Eye Nensoko TV. Uboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwanchu mugeja bitoke jida kamera onge tatonesa to igoro yechinsa isano chabona mambege teseni ine Ensoko TV no muroberi na trobini to nete kwanra senchera yobo ime igoro oyi siasa chichigendrete ko mokemensi ya Kenya ne siasa chabara ibagusi to ko kwanda Fredo Okengo Matiang'i na ningo gose oguchekwegwa bandere na bego siasa chero gongo bagusi yo mwanchu mugeja kero to gochiko kwana senchera bene to nere Daniel Nyabutu yuko yekero kivuga bana Korase County area ya Nyamira na bego to bate Patrick Jetmark Miruka uyore omongana wa omuntu omugose omulingoli bwa mangana yege siasa emergency akya to kwana mange na igoto gochigo so ande to ndreke gima sengencho oyechinga kitoro kwana igoro oya Fred Okengo Matiang'i wiki edia eta batarachi kugenda ase miroberi yabo yege siasa emeyorongo rwagusi Matiang'i ne asogete naga kwana igoro yenchire bwana gutumika ryo komotenene yo gochiko bori kergo kibora ibwense kuri ase media opposition heliyo gochiko komenyana nere umara ibwense Dr. William Ruto mwaka gocha 2027 Matiang'i akarakana kworoke wobegetenga na bwate feeling tari gochiko chorwa igo ese boardroom tata itemanga na boardroom igatagete amangana aria gose abananchi bachagwe agatebanga abararia abesokino bake chikura gose ebe discussion oyokobwa amanyago chorwa esenchire yo bwasi okwa enki akwera okorenga kirete Matiang'i kwana igento bunekyo togo chakana Daniel.
Okay, you see, politics there is not appointment. Hakuna appointment, can never work with you. Iwo Matiang'i yako right kusema hataki mambo ya boardroom. Anataka achaguliwe na wananchi na watu. Kama ni delegate wataenda formula watu. But si watu nasema tuchague huyu because of this and this and this. Wanaweza kuja na vitu kama demographic ati Matiang'i no moke, sijui age mate. You know that's what people look at wakiwa kwa boardroom. Lakini wengi wakinaangalia your record, umeperform, what you have been doing, wananchi wanasema huyu. That's why hata kwa party ukiappoint mtu kimpatia direct nomination you end up losing because yako na wananchi. So Matiang'i is a wise man. I told you Matiang'i ni wise. So amewaambia vizuri sisi tutaenda abroad. Yani tutachagua na si ama hakuna kuappointiwa. Ni direct to the people, they vote. Now hiyo si wasiwasi ameonyesha. Ni kuonyesha leadership yake ni straight because he has a mission from Kenya to come and fix the nation. Wacha ile come and fix the nation.
Ncharakio tage chitumeke gwake kure yo kegara togote amangana yo kwirana saba kanya bake kure ni ikatoge tu ikatoni bwo mangana IBC ni ese umene gwake kure yo gwenta gochoro kuru asensemo yo
enchera togwa kachikura chiyo gochore viongozi ndune itogwa kabune kira yende tangana ye ndongere bakuligereri no bwate passion yoko lead. Can you lead people? Can you attract people? Can you attract success? What is your performance? Are you aggressive so that do you listen? Onekero kwa announce abantu okora monde puyense. Wale policy ya Matiang'i. Umade those are the attribute kwa mbole bakuligere. Onekera kwa address abantu ari kubarama. Akabate bina gusiya ngo bade abana baminto muita abana baminto bakwe. Ekura yabona ndagete lakini nyinu mukutano injumora. Abantu je goitera manyinga. Etuwaje takoro mukutano peacefully togende. Those are the things tokoligere Kenyans. Twaligere na ki is a leader. But wono china threat. Otebenga lazima.
Tete kichosore to unkobori goro ngwana ya Matiang'i tumeka na bono to akeka bisopali makarongo rwagusi abarai bari bwechense mwibere ngo gose guchikwera lituko umweri bwe umwaka gocha gose mutenyo na no mwaka gocha Matiang'i na roga inki nkwana Matiang'i inki yari gwashire
Matiang'i na sweti obwoga ase kuma obwoga buri uko maanisha kwamba na aroche kwamba bako genda kukua na boardroom viongozi wa United Party ama United Coalition there is a big chance bali kumuchagua na lia katana ki tugenda saba wananchi basewe maybe ni opinion polls maybe ni nini kwa sababu kwa mobile hili swali ligia sana nchi raki bako kuchagua rende kwa sababu matenyo suggestiri nchi ya kiba kutumika kuchagua sasa huyo kiongozi yule ule preferred from opposition na abantu as opposition is it delegate ki asekera chama Matiang'i tawa chama icho Jubilee yako cha kareta au say is it consensus which consensus mkutano kiwo cha kurangere ngo cha kwa referee consensus is it abananchi go vote na ibisto cha kwa appoint kwamba tobeke opinion poll mbabu atibasa mne chicho kwa bintu vya voting now toko enda kwamba Matiang'i chi chance cha as opposition politics nchibwate chishida ntobwate chibams saizi ngotumiare egali yabande kugenda se arusi egali yabande nabo wate nyange turi kuika tuka egali yeyu kwanza ine problem asari sana yuko Matiang'i ebintu mbile lazima akore kwanza agagwa so guchaguana Matiang'i chinamba hata tukurigere ibintu yabatana ki ibintu mbile bawo chakurigere nabwate passion ntomaite Matiang'i nabwate passion yo gukorega sintomanyite ya nabwate chibesa ile ngabwate nkageta ategemete cha Jubilee nabwate chi numbers agusimbarenga 1.1
kwa vile tulishia mande polisi kisiku batisha aba kuja kutuambia hapa unajua tuongee ukweli as much as you don't love Matiang'i as much as you don't love Matiang'i let's speak at the truth amangana nyagote wona koligeri twagote na ki no education to kutumia Kenya ne yabande the system is from UK we are using UK system democracy is from American system so that danga toka na gendo kyabande kuruwana kyale system yabande kutumia Kenya na to embrace it you want danga Matiang'i ko bako na Jubilee ne yabande ne ya mu Kenya
at the end of the day
no democracy does not mean that kana lenga team for example ndeta kwa ndesa bali mbwata abantu babiri mbwate gali mbwate nyangela buli muntu yomo ayikwangire gali labo lya abantu bawo nje abane bako mundeti lakini nje ngogendi ndike ngoko bane yabande I don't do that
at the end of the day for example Eugene Wamalwa Kalonzo Musyoka bachoro kuboli ukero kukibura inende banchane bonse bakende point iyo Matiang'i baswakire babikire press conference na bakokwana ngabono uitwanchire Kalonzo Musyoka so uitwanchire Eugene Wamalwa go sena tembea abune aya personally buno uyo kuboli kero kukibura gwetere ese kero kukibura boga bugabana banyamira gwetere tiketi ya Jubilee anye ko gukonyegwa na abagusi personally rochemba chigwe sokia egesoke mu gusinge chigwe soki gwanchirana ne hatuye yuana ne sibonega igo bago push igo bategete Matiang'i
ndanda ate baranda ndara answer that question Matiang'i akona cutting edge mate munyi konyara but as wise people ama young people ama abantu bali babwata masomo ali amutungola tuli kyala udango tekelo wakasiasa ekelo ta domurai none speaker ngo ndo parliament wacha naga party kao noje naga party kao twachore speaker to sore party ko stock mate inchule tabugati otabugati party ne ro torambera kyala gambe kobembo
kwanda nyamira
Matiang'i abwate cutting edge because ago chikobani utro among the parties yada ndungwa the party nje ndaba ambere mwenzi buya kyalo yabwate yosikia we yosikia nje mwange yoskinda nengeli kiane lakini abongo bagambera equally okay come to my part
Daniel
come to my part nyamira
ocho ningo twatro nyamira gukwirando akaigo ochorurwe gose obachorro monto munga apart from Matiang'i ngo chitero support Matiang'i so kimo gusi omonto ori ancharanire
Matiang'i ne auto direction kago teba is okay but into Kenyans na bagusia baima Matiang'i this is the time ya Matiang'i
sawa nere ntrakana lakini gari bado mbara abangere babate experience kyoborai oyo mochoro gutatika Matiang'i nto chigwancha ayo munyene kurwe nkora ya noncha ne ko gochigo support ya idea yo se jana yamo yo burai mote abotali obuyemensi ya Kenya kurusio lioro
Matiang'i tana ero auto direction leader ero auto
direction bono nga
wana se direction yeye abotogo support liato lakini ala the Jubilee party ikela nduna wafasi ba Jubilee and we love Jubilee
na mo kwa kero lia gari
Matiang'i mbusi na mimi ndogwa na mimi ngi mwa Jubilee bako mwa MCA na omo MC na MP nkwaro ja maita abantu babata maiso nkwaro jingi yalenge ntwa kwa tabosongo gali nyamire ngi mando dalete abantu bali ndo bakaneti unde twa kana ne siringi ngo je na abantu bako support
Jetmark do you believe opposition ngo chego sa 5 gusi
opposition as a Matiang'i na we survive kumaanisha kwamba Matiang'i a factor. The factor in Gusii is one man called Matiang'i. There is a high chance kwamba Matiang'i na barave na influence if atware kiama kwanza UPN kiama kia sana so kwa kiaro kanire kwamba kibwate nabokera nyora barai. If Matiang'i was to change the chama, in fact Gusii na bago akoba influence enene. But Matiang'i kago tene na Jubilee na hande bachague Kalonzo ndio wense wako kuchagua Gusii Matiang'i hakuna opposition politics in Gusii.
Na kubuli opposition yomete opposition igere kabere gaiga Gusii opposition nero opposition ya serikali na opposition ya Matiang'i opposition ya Matiang'i ngochergo sa 5 Gusii bali bare bwana sa serikali
there is na kongu unless ebintu mbira wenda gukora ambapo
abari aside Matiang'i bari bakumwamereri ochengba bwatiri bakari guchukana ndese biroko byo burai hanne bari meyo burai
nkagite Gusii ne rakore kusafisha abantu mbaro bakwendanga kabisa kusafishwa bali lakini iko depend na whatever happens in a few months umwakoyo kuruboniga ntogo tingo teba kabisa kosedmaiti Matiang'i ngocha kwe Rusiare kurwase Jubilee kago tena na Jubilee Ruto wako baosha Gusii mbaya sana ngo kan Ruto wako baosha Gusii mbaya sana
ntaka tako kwa swali very specific. Yes. Opposition balia abaro opposition ya Matiang'i mete opposition ya serikali nero ime ya Gusii na opposition ya Matiang'i nero ime ya Gusii. Opposition balia abara against Matiang'i ngo kwanda ba Silvana Ososoro ngo kwanda mu women rep county ya Kisii mu women rep county ya Nyamira kati ya bara ibande buna Paul Simbarati mu governor rep county ya Kisii Nyamira ntara manyasa ro ikarabone ga mega yo kurwase bikarabiri bya senate byo kumwaka isuka ya bisiga akirite Mbasa 5.
No, they won't survive. To be honest, from the heart, even themselves they know. Hata wanajua kwa roho yao. Sahi mahali wako hawana chance. There is no chance that they'll come against Matiang'i and then survive. Hata pale siku hizi juzi tulikuwa tunaongea hata na Osoro, naambia bwana, maana siku hizi na movement ya nene na minimize because siku hizi mpime yote
ananchire so ma.
Atenda gotebi. Kala oma edo kwandiro tofauti. Ile politics onde yo gwanju.
Bata is among the people they bare
Goirarare.
O mate siasa na bote bitengo kwanera ande mate no squeeze no oxygen opime irwa sagotara because ewe byakole ya change ewe Matiang'i. The answer is no, they won't survive. Coming tena the record it's poorly. Hakuna kitu wamefanya.
Last word is not a comment ntogabu fact.
Yanda kora this is my time bwana. Na kwa bwana wale kalo kwanza na kwa na cha sasa kero ngote banga especially abantu bawupinga Matiang'i usimba kwa chance ko komentanya record cyabo njiyo ikiyabona benge umusunte no mugazo Matiang'i is a performer baro they are not performer and they are against dutai tubacha sasa ito bana chiko tusalili baro bana bataketa ko genda na Kasongo they go because they are not performing, they are not with the people wakuagiza kila siku
karango kwa ndiri sentence ya moyo ka Daniel wika 2027 bali bakumwamereria bibonsi bachikumwamereria wika 2027 usema wika next year batambuke bachasa
ano mai siasa siasa there is no permanent enemy because ma politician
igera iklinero mbara bacho batambuka
era iklinere munyago chabale ngora tubage biranya ya tubage biranya lakini mbaza ko nyamira na nyaire kirogeri chebo baba ningi kiri baba ese ko chatorega lakini rende tiangaze itibeli yao abane nabata basaliri bono omemateke no chale iti konya wasaliri ikiyabona umuntu ago chikoligeri umuntu ngo kurwani yare konye performance yare ko liteyo ebipindi ago waka abana motika ndati moke
kasi na last point a factory atararigiririga gase gusi politics especially konya gago kwa na bari barororo muna chigavana igendo kiriko tukoroka Gusii ere lean to what ere ni kama US tokotana ki eye ere this Democrat ama Republican but leaning what Gusii ere always it's a ODM leaning place yeah wasene place eri ODM ebwate influence nene sana ekumaanisha mna Ruto echeke UDA keko swamo na ODM na debabe na coalition kugenda si election Matiang'i na ndati yana na Jubilee honestly Gusii teri Jubilee leaning eri ODM leaning ekumaanisha mna Gusii ba kunyara evita vidigo cha kwa babu sigari keko swa effect ya ODM na UDA keko swa kwa sababu no governor ko sino ODM governor karo ODM na aso na ndali leaning saizi na UDA bako swa na amo chinguru chini chinene sana as a leaning party Jubilee teyanya kwa leaning as a teyanya kwa
1 second teyanya kwa I want to respond to him akiba mbali mo kotegerera mo bese kwa mangana ekiagera usekoligeri sometimes omo muroyo badali ko soma history usekoligeri no andiri ODM jarenge tuotu but abantu because nya China atene the president once be bagere nya China ono ya kwiro bwango ko bajibe se cyaruto cyamo yabantu bako
ese ngintu yekingakitira tochese siasa cyo cyanyamira na ko boli yakoro kwatu ya junior nkorenga no mulingo rumanganege siasa sana na baigo na bwatega ngayo ko boli bwe siasa ese ekati cyo ward me county nyamira abataba mwambia tupe agenda yake ya ugavana alafu abataba which industry will you establish in Nyamira number 2 abataba how many jobs will you create in innovation to create jobs in Nyamira.
Okay, thank you so much. Abantu balibantegerete ko Nyamira tete ko batembia muna soko ngachinga gicheino ngo direct to the industries. My line is industries because I'm a guy from commerce and I believe that putting our people back to work any priority all of us as leaders. One industry ndarosi wesekoli mnariko ngendo bwa industry ndo bwa pineapples na ke kusina kitonyeroka pineapples amanasi na botokoro industry ya mananasi ya bae twarosi oje binde chinju tukeji fibers to be industry ya mali yagola mananasi kurwa sabali so that it is creating a market for farmers walba mananasi and to process the amata ya mananasi twarosi fiber twarosi na clothes twarosi chituki na ebinto binde. That's one line toko ndalikesima babwa de chombe chinyinge sana gali alina botokorosi iyo ndokoroga factory ya mabere ego process ikogora mabere ya create markets from the farmers from there ya process ya mabere to packet ya rose cheese ya rose yogurt ya rose all products ziko in the supermarket so will be create thousands of jobs eji tutabuati Nyamira usiboje line ya soft drinks nya tole toseni sana gusiyengima tobugate amachara fresh tugenda ko roast juice torosi soda torosi all soft juices soft drinks wena machanya gitali ya bako bako bekero akonda small process doko na dialysis iga amaji torosi amachanya gitali chengede yejo nyora amaji so we have value addition industries tuko chikoleta in Nyamira all over Nyamira toko ndake tutumasaba emanganire gali yoro sete na toko semangelie be sinari to promote hotel industries ne getike likia manga tokerosi wiya tiga baibia baibia chivas tokerosi wiya ke international stadium kuna kisi lige mchile kisi na bijio koleka na gali ne stadium chini agenda ya real estate county ya Nyamira agenda is putting people back to work through creating industrial zones and jobs yes ile agenda ya ntangani
ticket kio ko boli kurwa
Jubilee tole Jubilee na tole
nkigwe tiketara korekana ase county ya Nyamira ikigo chiko chinchi apart from creating more industries in the Nyamira county
oisekoliga medical field tole Nyamira tebwati na match usikoli no nyangitali chia Nyamira chinyinge apart from Nyamira ndo bwa Nyamira when you say health sector ndo bwa deji myekali chinge chiko kero mwana nchi mape karibu that's match level 5 njibwa tunona match njibwa tunona stima no sha iteliko kora because there is no power system they are not working. I'll make those system work kinege ndo yakabri ndo ya again education system is very poor ndo bwa tunona research centers wana mbabugati innovations ba mbabugati innovation centers ndobugati ezinejira to create thousands of young jobs igolende ndege ntu yakabira abalimi babende babe empowered in terms of economical, in terms of markets to create markets for konchi their goods. So we'll do a lot of with the people.
Turakuwa na chai na Nyamira ni manyekene sana also kwenye chai.
We are going to make sure that the factory are accessible through building loads. Nature we katurwa ni labali minabala banyole bonus yengia to make sure to get the buyers through international bound direct the same way na kiamvako ni kile factory yako export ya chai yanyola good payment kwa kutumia brokers baje batu nyanyasa na 9 shillings na 5 shillings per kilo. We don't do that.
Mostly in county governments, yes. There are THMCs amo nava governor sideke ya moyoka tumaikora na soyo tutachi gukora yabaire ige create issues na hekora magendere aira nanse as the governor of Nyamira for example Nyamira yabaire very affected kati ya MCA na no governor wabo ni county ni chinyinge bniria kiri chomkwa roche ende kora magendo kwa nanse. What do you think we will link, how will you link, and how will you manage to link within the MCAs to make a good rapport for development of the county, especially for the people who chose you?
You see, you have to, when you're a governor, you work with the MCA like partners, not their boss. You tell them value addition industry, look to an area, what can you bring on board? We work as partners, not as I impose to them. I tell them you are elected to deliver to the people. Bring what you can as partners. When you work as partners, not as their boss. There you will win. We have a win-win model whereby mwananchi ana win, MCA is winning, and governor is winning. Everyone is a win-win model, which I'm going to work very well with people as partners, not as their boss. Yes.
Ushino kwa chi second kumichoko kwa na abantu banyamira guchese camera togo cha sosole togo chikopora kigima your last word.
My last word no watayo antu baito kwamba Matiang'i ntutagitabe kiongozi gaitu na nero murayo gusi lakini ntumna abantu bagusi tubonete tomo support ase chi steps chiri yako irase oburai bwa wense na nde ase ground mubonete tumwe support lakini Matiang'i lazima tomo critique na ria aweze uchenchi ibintu biri yako kora bubi kwa sababu ntori gaiga kwegwa number 2 gose kwegwe prime minister itutagite Matiang'i abe omurai wense enere chance eri abakenya baigwete mna the mood of the country netagite omuntu mna Matiang'i lakini konye Matiang'i ta understand it assignment eri bosubwae teneko manisha gocha gutuangushari na kwa gutuangusha na ndio tutate kuangushwa then that tunasema ntori kwa line until we are able to see that he can actually do what he needs to do. Yeah.
Daniel, yes. Sabange kura sabanto banyamira.
Okay, ndada ko ba tembia mono abantu banyamira inchengo kudana nyabuti nkankimira. Ande ne sokiri ndada ko rwan ko likobole kerobo kyobo governor wanyamira. Some say I'm young, some call me David, some call me names, but I believe together we can deliver. A policy anentanga ndade to change ne very poor policy ya Nyamira whereby when ole governor ekonya kobeko muticho gali para embra yatu yaira kero mwaka yatu yaira igobona at the end of the day it cannot be accountable in kaski akolire ige policy ya nabantu banyamira ne chipara cheito ndo chibeke lami natobeka 2 km kero mwaka kere para tonyole tuwakolire after 5 years onya tu upgrade chilami cheito and then this answer aba MCA bonse barabe bagochoru and ama Jubilee ama anywhere to can work with them with partners and the assignment yanenda aba onye gochikoboli oba MCA manya assignment yamo we ko evaluate industry kyola kole kinda te kere industry ebe kere sub county kere aisaransa ali kero na kuligichikura we ko manye oligeri environment ya industry kyola letera bana inji ege to colleagues nae ekiala tinta idi gochikobo gavana onye ndoko beka abasa baitu ba colleagues ekiala myself na etire experience yake ndako gatie kasi okonyoro mo iboli ona nsomiri oni bakobole mu ngakanire na nacha kuisaransanira kumwana chiko tuchinsiaga ubole mo nesu kumantinda getiboyo igonda etobwatirane asaba MCM bali bakobole nabana mbogabana tuensi tokobwate si Matiang'i alengeri ekero ko beke policy ya manifesto alengeri onye go support Nyabuti aka industry ngale gete Nyabuti yankonyega turabeki abantu beto bagende gas igolende bono ntaito ko basaba chikura chaino mwenzi ase mwabita gusiengi matobwaterane to change let's believe, let's keep hope alive, let's believe that we can do bana bate bangana abaketole no David ekara tenete na Goliath niga bate tabura dino ne tools kanya korwana segitambanyeti igabana bate banga this is the first time but let's do it, let's believe that we are together and we can win and we the people we are ready for change. Asante sana.
Jet makinkanga itokuwa neti
gusi kitutu cha Chenot
Nyakundi ambo yabana oyu akoro kwa nere Daniel nya abuti uyo kuri kiruke bugabane ese county Nyamira twengenere me studio chakira chinsa chininye chiamambye hamonere Patrick Jetma Kimiruka uyo ro munyakero we kombekerege African Umbrella Patients Association imeyense ya Kenya naboigo muringori omangana yege siasa imeyense ya Kenya wekera abo mwanchi muireria titko oli chuma no nkona chera hamangana ose ese trobini tko lia lero nende kero mu director ne kebatia kontinera mutkawango yanga swala samangana siasa timetenu bugaba dara aboli osenkero kyago chakobolia senchira ya bene tokumena itko lia nke chakati sano soto goika chinse ikomicha maragoba kindegete kabesti to kuana mwe chigoso nyoranga itkulie chumapiri abamura aba FC Leopards ngo bari kubarigane club keria agia Shabana FC imeyega sero keria akia Nyayo Stadium chakira chinsa ikomi ria nkyo na emodekta zake agonte nganere nkwandre manu yate wechi gukora top 4 nje na bankorengere ligo itkoregara club keria agia KCB gekora Robert Matano kebate ko bagikora club keria agia FC Leopards na egore masengena riesagero erenge nchonga go ikabona FC Leopards bachikobwa egesori yabo na Shabana FC egoseri go chikoben kongu kianda gikomi gasaro Nyayo Stadium chikolia chumapiri chinsa ikomi chamarago bayonsi tochiko kwa yali tukorion kiona ngo chigotwara ime chigoso inabe nyangongo egeteseni kyo kyabene genso ko TV kwende bone ga setrobini ya ikiro mwelio hasenchera ere yabene nyasabe naye nawe gotware sabato erengiye hosorio ogochia esekanisa aritko olianke ankoro kwa Daniel Omwaga Joshua Nyauma director Zak hamona John Kebati baringe mega yeme nyoncha kwa kinga chibicha mona modo ya wikere asenchera ere yabotwara bye bye yesabe naye